Rancho's Barbecue's casual loop diagram show operational inconsistencies that affect customer satisfaction and income. Product quality concerns all have a negative impact, resulting in dissatisfied customers and fewer repeat visits. Okay na yan, pre.
Hello, we are Rancho's Insight Team. Our focus, Rancho's Barbecue, a small stall facing a critical problem when it comes to its inconsistency food quality, both taste and portion size, leading to severe customer complaints and a drop in revenue. We've used systems thinking to map out the root causes.
The main cause and effect of inconsistency in the quality and customer experience, and in this diagram, the major causes are cooks improvising and portioning by eyes. These practices occurs because of lack of training and lack of standards of recipe, and pressure from cost reduction measures.
We converted that map into a casual loop diagram to find the feedback loops. The most dangerous is the quality decline spiral. Inconsistent quality to negative reviews to revenue drops to management cuts costs on ingredients and training to quality gets even worse. It's a vicious cycle. We also see where low revenue leads to staff turnover, which brings in less experienced cooks, further tanking consistency. The good news is the balancing loop. If we invest in standardization, quality improves, satisfaction rises, and revenue comes back, making future investment possible.
The problem isn't just one bad cook, it's the whole system that is off, from how management invests to how reliable the suppliers are. The real game changer is standardization by creating a simple and clear steps that everyone may follow. And also, even a low-cost change can help to stabilize the system. This small change can turn a downward spiral into a positive cycle where it drives to continuous improvement and sustainable success for Rancho's Barbecue.
Our recommendations are practical and low cost. First, we implement standardized recipe with exact weight. And second, provide simple portion control tools like digital scales or scoops. And third, mandate a daily quality check. The staff tastes and weights a random plate, and these checks are cheap and provide immediate feedback.